Hello and welcome to our channel. In this DIY video, we'll guide you through the process of creating a unique and exciting project, building a motorized trike capable of carrying 2 people. The heart of this creation is a robust 150cc motorcycle engine, which will power our trike with its incredible performance. What sets this trike apart is its rear wheel, which will be driven by a chain, delivering power and control as you've never experienced before. Join us on this adventure as we take you step by step through the construction of this incredible machine. Perfect for those looking to combine their love for motorcycles with the comfort of a trike. Get ready to embark on a thrilling journey of fabrication and creativity, and watch as we turn this concept into a reality. So, hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and join us on this exhilarating journey of creativity, customization, and discovery. Together, we're redefining the road, one innovation at a time.